eye prophet Owusu Bempah training sa ebom paye bra Mahama John Dramani Mahama efra sofo nyina Owusu Bempah ko training sa ebom paye mu paye gu papa ne so no efisa ho no papa difoi ne honto no wafidie so da amafo esopa na pa a obi asabi woda na num pa sesi a Okatakyie Afrifa obi asesi a one papa etwe ne sere ne abasa pa eye Okatakyie Afrifa oye owo angel na papa Owusu Bempah dwena so den ra kosia de no se ekwaye eye Okatakyie Afrifa ede ne nam so ni audio sakase enkomo one na die ni tweta kase odi abegu abonte ne sebe na atopon audio odi aba abonte nya so one na che Ghana fo ma no ankode ne be famra kwan so po ne be di no na emo esa obu owo ma asofo bi e wo Ghana krom ha wo ma friend na tu no fo say Romeo wonja ne life ma no ne tentene ne kra ne say eye enjefo nyina pani a wo dan no eye papa kwaku otin wono so e de pacho kese pa abro no papa Owusu Bempah enu nti no won pese wo be kasa biem na asem yi aya ya asem a na nka no ya ye den pa na so mpanifo efutu bi amotu nti na wagya bibiem me yenti papa e wona so dem mo embra.
In fact, open crofo me suro mu asase so a me spiritual fathers omo kasa me ntimi nka hwe me suro mo pa me papa Victor Osei Family Chapel me suro no kokokokoko me papa Bishop Kwampoku me suro no kokokoko dise me suro omo dise me hu omo na mamoa ana one me kasa no se son hwenene wokọ asori wanko kan bibia amfa MPP ni NTC ana se papa oni hobi o me nkwa na mse dem o ne me kasa aso me bo me mu ase aso ogina manim papa mpa cho mate afemi am ye na mse na me so de na me ni pese ogina me papa no so papa me papa no papa e friend Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams ono so ne me bonkomo and was odivo enkasa merade enkonkon enkasa odi asande okọ asori a hyewonkom na shira nyamemma
calling themselves men of God. One of those people, I think your name is Tvgh or something. You are an elderly man. I believe that by virtue of your age, we all respect you. You've been insulting the one and only prophet of the nation. You and your allies, you are insulting Owusu Bempah the Great. If he comes to respond to you, people will say that our father is not a good person. The truth of the matter is that he will not come and respond to you. But please stop insulting our father. Stop insulting our father. I have heard that some people said we are doing a lot of talking, we are not taking action. That we always come and talk, no legal action, nothing. Do you know why you have not seen anything yet? Anytime the legal team takes the action, some of them will go and beg behind doors. Then our father will come and say, oh, we should just let go. But from today onwards, the pastoral board, the elders of the church, whoever we will take legal actions against, whether you come and plead or not, we will continue and take you on. In fact, we have decided that even if Papa says we should let it go, we will not. Oh, do you agree with me?
Yakatra papa da damwa ya we. Sana mo ayetunu fitine no okakra ye ntie.
Mesre se nani de di kan odi abepi attention TV wo ho. Ye doni amo ye misrewa. Like my wati na sanso e subscribe e ho no e hu dia ye pa. Na me be sha be e kwentwa.